video we move to the last one, 2.18 of our stated UML modeling use case diagram to discuss the display JSON data on use case diagram. So normal is we learned a lot is how to display actor and use case element with the arrow lines. And here is if you have our JSON file, actually we can put such kind of a JSON table into the use case diagram. So within one picture or the one diagram, you can show both the visualized element as well as is a certain those JSON in table that will give the reader great the convenience to understand some more information. So actually, if you come to the mind map, I make a connection from this 2.18 to the number 11 chapter, non-UML diagram. So here is we will have a dedicated chapter to discuss JSON data display, as well as later the YAML data display. So we may have more samples there, but within this sample, we just do such kind of a simple one. And I will find some online JSON sample, and we can practice another one. So let's go to the 0218. One for the one that in the reference guide. Yeah, we don't need our title, so just we should have our allow mixing. So let me put those closed and try to make our field. So nothing happened. If I just put this JSON, let's see what happened. So we have this JSON table. Normally JSON is the double quotes with colon and with the, another double quotes string. So it's the key value string. So let's say fruit. So if I put that, you can see here is you just use the keywords JSON and with JSON. So we can see the fruit information. And if you have that space, you need to make that double quotes. So then they should, oh, they are not making this work, so I think we should use the underscore. Then this will become and use the the comma and the sides with colon, dash, and color. You can have this our list. So with this square, so the brackets, red, green, yellow. So as long as you have those, you have one merged this column and then three inside a list. That is the JSON's this kind of the syntax. But if you don't have this allow mixing, and if I want to put actor as A, then you will get this. I think it's also I get no issue. So case, use case. So that is allow mixing is actually not our mandatory things. So I would like that to put those here. And then these are simple JSON. So let me create our 18 tool. I put our site. So in the mind map, first is I have this one. So work with JSON. I just gave you a link so that you can come to here. If you don't familiar with JSON, you can use this file table to get some understanding about JSON itself. But what actually I want is I want to copy some sample JSONs. So here, if I put this, I have a JSON, and what's this topic is just superhero. So I have those one. And actually, I don't need this. I can directly copy like this one. So you can see here, it's very powerful. That is immediately try to translate this into our table. So if you have our, let me copy another one. So like this one, so from here. So I copy this one. So I have another JSON. So let's see. So JSON is the person. So I have a second one. So let's see. So how that will be displayed. Looks like you can only display one JSON file. So let me see. Allow mixing. Is just make working? No. So from string allow mixing. So syntax 42. I got syntax error. So let me see 42. JSON person. This one. Oh, so I have this. Or actually, as I should have this is this. It's still not correct, so let me wrap them. It's not work. So if I don't need this one, it's still the number 40. 40 have the issue, so we need to separate that. No. So that means if you want to put the two JSON, then that will be issue if I comment this. Let's see our second JSON whether syntax is correct. So looks like it's not. So this JSON have some the syntax issue. So maybe let me find this. Do we have another JSON sample? If I put something like this one, name, browser, is a JSON. So let me put this. First, let's put our correct JSON file. Yep. And let me see whether I can have a two. Oh yeah, so that is to my suppose it should be allowed to have a two. But then here you can see is depending on your this JSON actual file format is they can have those merged the column cells and make that is clear to do that. So that is the second sample I put you. So because it's using that is you can have this actor A. So then you have those one mix with our actor. So those are the way is you can now is starting to. I'm not sure if I can put our link actor A go to the superhero. So what's that mean? So I yeah, you can see I can connect that. If I make a shorter line, I should connect in the horizontal. So JSON is will be treated as are just the normal the elements that you can put is then second one is A also put that to person. Then you will have 2 lines. So then this superhero will be looks like this, and this will be that is all we can see person from the left A. Then they will be placed in the left and the right. So this way is you can have some JSON table and interactive with your use case elements. So then we start is we finish this 2.18. I hope is through all of those is you get quite complete the information about the use case diagram. And then is we finish this one, and from next video is we will move to the third type class diagram. This may have some similar to this object diagram, but we do this one by one. And within this class diagram is quite a lot of contents, is total 41 the chapters, and I will try like the sequence diagram. I will try to group some of them into certain similar contexts, and unless they are just talking the too much different information. And before closing the use case diagram, you see here is a link which I have put that into here. So just is from certain online those diagram the information is you can see I keep adding some add-on and reference information. This one is our code is a comprehensive guide to use case diagram. If you click that, is it's coming from one the commercial the tool Visual Paradigm. It's not means you need to buy or download. There is one for the trial, or what I want is you can use this as our knowledge article to understand the use case, the modeling. Similarly, is if you have to go to the UML, they also have our sequence diagram. The guide is I also put that here, so that if you want to learn more from some different angles by different supplier, they have a certain summary of those information, then you can come to this add-on reference link to learn more. So I hope is until now you follow my video and my these first 2 chapters get enough the practice on your own and familiar with the PlantUML. I may spend time is later on to this chapter 3. So I hope is you can continue support this course, and also give me your comments or suggestions. And if you find this anything is incorrect describing during the video, please drop me a mail or just leave comments. Thank you very much, and see you in the next chapter. Bye for now.